As coronavirus stay-at-home orders are lifted across the country in a phased reopening, public libraries are also preparing to open their doors. Public Library Association President Ramiro Salazar is here with what that will look like. Thanks for being here. We certainly appreciate it. And we all know public libraries, sadly, also had to shutter their doors because of this pandemic. We should point out that many of them have still been providing very valuable services to their communities. Tell us how.
Libraries primarily turn to online programming, as well as promoting access to digital content, digital libraries. For example, ebooks, downloadable books, digital magazines, music, and movies are now being provided by public libraries. So libraries have to adapt fairly quickly. While libraries provided access to digital content, we needed to learn how to promote it and also expand our capacity to fulfill demand, since the public could not access our public libraries to pick up physical materials, print materials.
Right. And I know so many people rely on public libraries for the internet, for computer access. I have such fond memories of going with my mom in the summertime for reading and just to be there physically in the library. What are some of the biggest challenges you will face now as the country reopens? What safety measures are being put in place?
Well, you mentioned access to the internet. So what this crisis has emphasized or has magnified is that we still have a digital divide that impacts communities that need that service the most, that are vulnerable from many aspects. And so the challenge for public libraries is, how do we continue to provide access to high-speed internet? So most public libraries maintain their Wi-Fi signal on to be accessible from outside in the parking lots. We express to our users to practice social distancing and so on, but we invited them because we know having access to Wi-Fi and high-speed internet is critically important today in a 21st century environment. So those are some of the things that libraries are doing. Some libraries deployed hotspot through vehicles to go to targeted communities to provide access to Wi-Fi.
Yeah, providing access, providing resources to communities who need them most. We know that the public library system has been hit very hard by this pandemic. So for anyone watching at home, how can the public help their local libraries get back on their feet?
Most libraries have support groups, either friends of the library or a library foundation. They can support those entities, which then support public libraries.
That is very good to know. Thank you for all that you're doing and giving those important resources to the communities that are in need all across this country. Ramiro Salazar, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Amy.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.